Job hunting. Job hunting, job seeking, or job searching is the act of looking for employment, due to unemployment, underemployment, discontent with a current position, or a desire for a better position. As of 2010, less than 10% of US jobs are filled through online ads. Networking. Contacting as many people as possible is a highly effective way to find a job. It is estimated that 50% or higher of all jobs are found through networking. Job recruiters and decision makers are increasingly using online social networking sites to gather information about job applicants, according to a mid-2011 JobVite survey of 800 employers in the US. Likewise, job seekers are beginning to use social networking sites to advertise their skills and post resumes. Today, job seekers can use resources such as Google+'s Circles, Facebook's Branch Out, LinkedIn's In Maps, and Twitter's Lists to make employers notice them in a unique way. In 2014, using these social media networks has led to 1 of 6 job seekers finding employment. A study by Microsoft suggests that job seekers need to begin to pay more attention to what employers and recruiters want in their pre-interview information gathering process and be able to deliver those aspects which essentially are different from their qualifications on resume, and specific to the built organizational culture for their strategic outcomes. Economics. Economists use the term frictional unemployment to mean unemployment resulting from the time and effort that must be expended before an appropriate job is found. This type of unemployment is always present in the economy. Search theory is the economic theory that studies the optimal decision of how much time and effort to spend searching, and which offers to accept or reject, in the context of a job hunt, or likewise in other contexts like searching for a low price.